Hey, snoring doesn't start dramatic, it graduates. Nobody wakes up one day sounding like a freight train. It starts small, light snoring, maybe only in your back, maybe when you're really tired. Then it gets louder. Then your spouse says, hey, you stopped breathing last night. And you say, no, I didn't. Because guess what? You were asleep. But here's what's happening. Snoring is a vibration of a narrowed airway. And the more it happens, the more your brain panics. Micro awakenings happen, and you never actually get deep sleep. And you don't remember any of it. Over time, untreated sleep apnea is going to increase your high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and it wrecks your daytime energy. Snoring isn't the punchline, it's the preview. If it's loud, worsening, or paired with fatigue and morning headaches, that's not normal. Get it checked out.